I got 46 9mm.
How much do I have? 9mm. Oh, I don't have a whole lot because I've been using it a lot. Damn, I need to find more.
Told you to conserve your ammo, you idiot.
And I aim for the head, but they flinch at the last second.
I want to shoot one of them with this revolver. I haven't used a revolver.
Bitch.
You're a perfect opportunity, pussy. Come here.
I grabbed my glider. Damn.
Fucking finally? He's wearing armor, though.
Oh, yeah.
You little dick shit. Here, you want some? Come here. You little fucking homo. Come here!
Oh, there's one down there, too, that's running away.
Get over here. Dude's fast as
Gang
fuck.
fight,
I'm not
bitch.
chasing his bitch ass no more. Shoot this squirrel. I missed. I'm not wasting any
Ah,
ammo.
got it. Wee. Wee.
Alright,
I can't go up, though, really.
we should start exploring more of these caves.
More of the what?
Cocksucker faggot. Should start exploring more of these caves.
Oh, yeah. Bitch, get back here. Let's see. Let me look at the map.
Yeehaw!
Oh, shit.
Good glider.
Okay. Hey,
Oh fuck, you scared the fuck out of me, pussy. Thought he was dead.
who was dead?
Fucking skinwalkers.
Oh, shit. Let's see. Where's the map? Okay, so that is over there. Let's see. This is the base of the mountain.
We never
There's a camp.
explained.
What?
Where's the camp?
In the middle of the mountains. Up the river to the left. Bitch, fuck off. Yeah, up. You follow the river on the left all the way through, and there's a camp up there.
It's probably
This
those
is a regular
tents.
camp.
Yeah, it's
It's a
probably those
regular
tents I
camp,
found.
Oh, what about those builds back there? Forgot about those.
Back to them. We remember where they are.
Fuck, we were flying in.
Damn, I
yeah,
can't
I'm
do it
gonna
off the side of
rest-
the fucking hill.
I was able to.
I got it. Well, let me see my fucking phone, faggot.
Yeah, look down.
I am. Both my hands are on the paraglider. It won't let me fucking pull out the phone.
Oh, damn.
Do you remember what it... Oh, it's down here in this valley, ain't it?
I think so. I drift that way. Hopefully I don't have to touch ground. Shut up, bitch.
But I'm coming very close to a tree.
Oh, yeah. I see it. And you're looking straight up. It's funny. Let's see. Yeah, it should be in the trees somewhere in this valley.
I think it was right over here. It's getting so fucking dark you can hardly see, though.
Yeah, I know. Definitely on ground.
It's gonna be hard to fucking land in these trees.
Oh, yeah. Gotta do it very strategically.
And I'm falling straight in.
Oh, shit. Oh, you found them?
I think so. Don't fucking know.
In the water, fresh water basin. Cycling back.
Oh.
Yeah.
What? I'm down.
Are you dead?
I'm
Fuck.
down.
Hold on, I can't see.
I literally fell 5 fucking feet with full health.
I can't see. Fuck. This button. This button. There we go. I can see now. Run, motherfucker.
They're really gonna fix the flashlights now. I don't know how they just. Oh
Ruin
yeah,
them?
dude. There's a bunch
Here,
of
I'm-
oysters on the ground.
Oh, is that what these are?
Yeah. I'm eating them.
I'm collecting them.
Fuck that free food, dude. It's me. There's a fuck ton of them too. God damn.
Yeah, no.
How'd they get this far up the mountain?
I don't know. Don't like oysters either.
You don't?
No. It's like a fucking slimy booger to me.
You're gonna like them now, bitch. Stuck on an island.
Alright. About to lay that pitch of tent real quick.
I just threw out fucking oyster. Yeah, pitch a tent and we can wake up and eat some more oysters.
Yep. And save.
You need
Save
fish.
and sleep. Revolver.
What?
The revolver. What the fuck? Did we not just sleep?
Alright, go back to sleep.
again.
What the fuck?
Oh, you twat. You threw a... something.
What?
At me. I don't know, he threw something at me. Alright, let's try to sleep one more time, I guess. Sleep. What the fuck? Why can't we sleep?
Probably because it's not time for us to sleep.
What? I'm gonna try it again.
Time even is it? 10:59 or 19.
Oh my god. How do you... Oh. It's...
Oh no! I ate raw meat. Rotten meat. Fuck me.
Ah, fuck.
But it gave me health. What the fuck?
That's weird.
Eat these oysters up, baby.
Every time we try to sleep, it's not letting us sleep. That's weird.
See shit. Because we aren't able to sleep. I think you have to be completely depleted to sleep. Want some
Yeah, it
faggot?
does.
Oh fuck, I can't see. Well, it looks like I'm rolling with a gun. A shotgun. You never know what's gonna fucking roll up on us.
Yeah.
Come on, you dumb little bastard. You're so full of yourself, bitch.
Aha, there you are, bitch. Right here. Yeah.
That bullet smacked his bitch ass so hard it fucking knocked that skin pouch out of him.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you little dumb little bastard. You like throwing rocks at people? Fucker threw a rock in my face.
Hell yeah.
Fuck, can it be daytime already?
Wanna try one more time?
It's only 10 o'clock. It's not gonna work, but okay.
Fuck it.
Yep, still only 10 o'clock.
What the fuck? Yeah, these lights fucking suck now, dude.
No, I don't know why.
I don't know. Not very realistic.
I you fucking killed, motherfuckers. Must have a death wish throwing rocks and shit at me, you little motherfucking faggots.
Fuck it. I got my shotgun out.
I feel like I'm in the army now. Fucking patrolling our camp.
For real. Oh, Kelvin.
Bitch! You thought you was about to hit me, huh? Yeah! Think twice, punk ass.
Get, build, stay, take a break, clear.
Fucker don't deserve a break.
Alright, I'm still by the gliders.
I need to conserve my ammo. Yeah, let's fill her back up and then pull out the pistols. Dude's head laying on the ground because I decapitated him with a shotgun.
Hell yeah. Look at them cheeks, boy.
Flashlight died. Dude.
Should have enough batteries.
I'm gonna eat his neck.
Eat his neck?
Yeah. They ain't fucking with us now.
Yeah, I know.
Since I capped their ass.
I'm gonna try it again. Oh, you bitch. Never turn my stick back.
What's that noise?
I don't know.
It is 11 o'clock. Alright, let's sleep. Yeah!
Yay!
Oh, shit.
Whatever. Oh wait, I need a drink and eat real
I'm
quick.
gonna find a river. Fuck that.
Oh,
I think I found the houses. No, that's a rock. That's a boulder. I'm gonna glide over to that river. Gonna fucking hit a tree and die. Ah! Ah! Ah!
which way did you go?
This way towards the river.
Or how did you jump off?
There's a boulder over there to the right. Oh, I found the houses. Now I'm just goddamn freezing. Fuck, I might not be able to drink out of this river because it's probably frozen over.
Yeah, probably.
It's about to get difficult out here.
Yep.
Oh, the river still got water in it. Honestly, if I were you, I would fill your canteen up and drink this water before everything freezes. You ain't gonna be able to get water after. Let me look at my clothes and see if I got anything warmer than what I got.
I can't drink. Oh, there it is.
Go. Tactical jacket, hoodie. Hopefully this hoodie will keep me a little bit warm.
Oh, I got a wetsuit.
Yeah. Remember we picked it up for
Blazer.
Flippers.
Leather jacket.
There ain't
Is
nothing
the
in
top little fucking thing for the warmth?
there. What?
The top on the where it shows you levels, leisure, and weatherproof. Fuck it. I'm gonna wear the leather jacket.
Leather jacket does keep you warm.
Yeah.
Well, I found some arrows. Oh, the crossbow bolts.
Huh.
Nothing really in these houses though, other than like cloth and shit.
Fuck it. We can make a fire inside one of them.
We do that.
Just,
Oh shit! There's
huh?
a butt ton of crossbow. Oh! Now they're just gonna despawn, you idiot. Did he hit you?
Huh?
Did he hit you?
No.
Where'd your character go? Ah!
I don't know. Oh, I hit the fucking. That's. These are crossbow bolts? Okay. But, I hit the fucking shit.
Hit the gritty?
I guess. Some of that. Ah, fuck. You scared the shit out of me. Let's see.
Let's find one of the camps and just murder them all. Like them.
Aha, I'm thawing.
I just got a fucking hoodie. That's all I got. Get a leather jacket from.
I don't know.
Why are you trying to give me shit?
I'm not. I thought I had something to put on the fire.
Fuck, we might have to go back into the crossbow cave and fucking see if we can't get that key card. Why is my food not going up?
I don't know.
You ate like a fuck ton of steak bites and my food didn't go up. I'm the biggest bird. We do need to set up a camp, huh?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And I was thinking this place would be a good idea. We're right next to fresh water. Yes, it's cold at the moment.
But you can't build in the house. These are shitty houses.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Just a thought. Nope. Hmm. We got 2 chairs out here, though. Oh no, I was almost there. There, bitch.
The
Aha!
therapist just laughed in my face.
What?
Physical therapist just laughed in my face when I told her how I fucked up my knee.
Oh wow. I got on the roof.
Ow.
Jumping off your glider. Double jump up.
I wonder if I can make it to the other roof.
Nope. Nope.
Fucking failed
I
miserably.
wish we could bring the glider up here and then fucking yeet off.
Fucking Jew, stop moving. Alright. Fuck you, Jew.
Let me see.
We should go up and search some caves in the mountain.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Cause I see one. That's where the can opener is too.
Yeah, I know.
2 camps and the mountain spawn location. So-
Hell no, there's hella skulls up over here.
Oh yeah, I know. I mean, it was a cannibalistic island. Oh, you got up there too. Nice.
You wanna see a track star?
Ooh, ideas.
Oh fuck, I lost health.
From jumping off that?
Yeah.
Aha! I got up here with it.
We're gonna go. We're already at the river. Oh, give me the map back, bitch.
Let's see. Yeah, we need to go up the river.
Oh, we gotta go to the left river though.
Yeah.
Still gotta go left.
So.
I'm gonna jump out towards the ocean. We can get away from these trees.
Ah, fuck. My shit fucking glitched out.
Alright. And we gotta go right here to the right.
Damn it. Dude, I can't get back up on there.
Double jump.
Okay, I had to hit it from an angle. No! Son of a cunt.
You in the air yet?
Hell no.
Oh,
Just
fuck.
being stupid.
No, I'm about to hit the ground. Fuck it. Cocksucker.
There we go. God damn. Why are you going back that way?
Where's the river? What do you mean?
We're right next to the river.
No, that's
To
the
the
wrong
right.
river.
No, it looks. It's
There's
the right
big
river.
over here.
No. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, it is. Yep, I see it. I see. Yep, I was looking more at the map.
Fat boy.
Shut up.
Fuck you, fat ass.
Fuck! Really? What the fuck? Whatever,
What?
I guess I'm running. I guess I'm running towards you.
Yeah, I fucking hit a rock, so I had to stop too.
It wouldn't even let me get in the air. Do I? Okay.
Large cup wants to join.
Oh. That's fine. Sure. I might have to restart the lobby though.
Why?
For what?
I think I have it currently on friends only.
I'm friends with DWTK. That's all.
He joined last time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
it's fun.
I either though.
It's fun.
Sweet.
What are you doing, you fat piece of shit?
I didn't do it.
What?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm still rolling to you, dude.
Oh, I just went into the ground.
Yeah, I've seen a little glitch in spots like that too. And yeet. What?
You're gonna hit a tree and die, motherfucker.
So? Oh well. Oh wait, I can go with that one. You son of a cunt! No. There we go.
Danny came for. Oh! Grave me, skank bitch. Bro, there's like 20 of these motherfuckers down here. I'm gonna go kill them. What are you ugly bastards doing?
Oh my god, they are recruiting down here. Holy shit.
What you crying for, pussy? Quit crying.